Hey guys, and welcome to another Tech Coding with Grace tutorial, and today I'll be showing you how to add a background image to a div. So here we have a basic layout of an index HTML file, and we have the style CSS linked here, and then we have a background image linked here called JPG file, and as you see, we'll go into the CSS here, and you see the background image class here is on this div. And here was some text and H1. So in here, you just write background image URL parentheses, and then you write where the root of where the path of the file is. So the image file is in the root, so I just have to write the actual name of the file, which is backround-image.jpg, and there you have it. You can see the actual image is on the actual div here, and as you see, there's a bit of repetition here, and we can change that by going back to style CSS, and we can write down background repeat, no repeat, and that will stop it from repeating. So you see, it's not repeating anymore. And then we can also do more things. We can write in background size, and then we have cover, which covers the actual area of the div. So now it'll go 100%. We could do contain, which contains the actual image to its original aspect ratio, and also we have, those are the major ones, so I'll prefer them cover here. Then we have another property which is called background position, and there is center. This looks good. Left, then it comes from the left side, right. But now we have it as cover, so you won't really see much. But if I do contain here, you can see it goes to the right, and it goes to the left, and then you can center it like this. You can also write pixels here. We could do 100 pixels. This is an x-axis. We can also do this also takes another input. I think it does 100. So if 150 pixels, as you see, this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. So there's a lot of things you could do. You can even put percent on here if you want to. There you go. But let's keep it on center and cover. Yeah, and that's about basically basics on how to use background image on a background onto a div, and this could be applied to the body or any div that you want. Thank you.